This is the brand new RedTiger F17 Plus, a true 4-channel dash cam system that promises full 360-degree protection with upgraded sensors and full color night vision. In this video, I'll show you what's new, how it performs in real-world conditions, and whether it's worth upgrading from the F17 Elite. Let's jump in.
Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Well, I've got to give a shout out again to RedTiger. They've came through. This is the F17 Plus. This is a 360-degree dash cam. It's going to give you views of your car from every angle. So front, rear, side cameras, interior. This is going to give you full protection. So what we're going to do is we're going to jump into a quick unboxing. Let's see if this is worth the upgrade from the F17 Elite.
Well, now starting off with the basics. The F17 Plus features a 2.7K front camera, paired with a 1080p rear, side, and interior cameras, all running simultaneously. Together, they provide full vehicle coverage day and night. You also get built-in GPS, Wi-Fi connectivity, voice control, parking mode, and loop recording. The design is clean and compact, with an upgraded cooling system that should help with long-term durability, something I really like about RedTiger's new models. The packaging includes everything you need: cables, mounts, and you can purchase the hard wiring kit for 24-hour monitoring. Both the rear-facing and interior mounting rear camera both rotate to help you make sure you get the perfect angle for installation.
Okay guys, so we're in the car now. I'm going to start working on installation for this camera, and it is going to be super simple for me because again, I just recently installed the F17 Elite. So basically all I'm going to do is unplug it and slide this one out of position. The rear camera will have to be removed from its mounting location, so that one will be a little bit worse. But it's definitely a lot difficult. So let's just go ahead and jump into some settings after installation. All right, now that we have the unit installed, we're just going to go through our setups. That's really cool. So you can actually see all 4 cameras right here. So as I can actually see, there it is. So there we can see the front camera. There is the interior camera. We've got a rear view camera, and then from the back, so you can actually see the rear camera there. That's actually pointing toward the driver. That's really slick. So lots of settings, of course. You can access all these settings, of course, from, or majority of them, from the app as well too. But we always like to just go through there and see, okay, so right there, 2.7K front camera, then 1080p for the other 3 cameras, and that's what we're gonna keep it at. So we'll leave that there. I'm not really gonna worry about the looping or the G-Sense or anything like that. I think what's best for us now is to start working on getting you guys some footage. So we'll jump into that now.
Now starting with our front 2.7K camera, image quality is very good for daytime driving. You'll notice sharp details, accurate colors, and a wide field of view that easily captures both lanes and surrounding traffic. Now moving to the interior view, the 1080p camera aimed at the driver handles exposures well. Faces are clear and reflections from the windshield stay under control. Now the new addition for me is the rear interior camera, which gives a good look back into the cabin from the rear window area. Again, the 1080p quality is a little softer, but still delivers enough detail to show what's happening inside the vehicle. Now finally, the rear facing camera is also a 1080p camera, providing solid clarity of vehicles approaching from behind. It's not as crisp as the front lens, but perfectly usable for license plates and tailgating incidents. Okay, so now moving to night driving, you can definitely see that that front 2.7K sensor remains a strong performer. The Sony STARVIS 2 imaging performance really helps maintain clarity without blowing out headlights or streetlights. I think this is a really good look. Now the inside cabin camera, again 1080p, it handles low light fairly well. There's some visible grains, but faces remain visible even under minimal interior lighting. Now the inside rear camera behaves similarly, but it does actually reduce some of the grainy look. Exposure fluctuates slightly as light changes, but it's adequate for ride share use or documenting cabin activity. Now finally, the rear facing camera does struggle a bit more. Fine details and license plates get softer once it's fully dark, especially if the car behind you has bright headlights. Still, it captures enough for context though. RedTiger recently updated their app, and it is a nice improvement. You can live view all 4 channels, download clips, and even adjust settings for each camera individually. The connection time has been shortened. Pairing took under 10 seconds for me. Voice control works hands-free for commands like lock video or take photo, which is a nice touch while driving. GPS logging also overlays your speed and location during playback, which can be helpful for insurance claims. Now, after a week of testing, here's my quick pros and cons breakdown. Pros: this has true 4-channel coverage for complete visibility. Excellent 2.7K front camera quality, reliable app and fast Wi-Fi connection, voice control and GPS built in, simple plug-and-play setup. Now the cons. The interior and rear 1080p cameras aren't as sharp as the front. You get large file sizes when recording with all 4 channels, and the app interface could do better with clip sorting when all cameras are active.
Well, as you guys can see, I really think that F17 Plus really delivers. So anyone that's actually looking for like full situation awareness, want to know what's going on all around you, this 2.7K front camera and then 1080p for the remaining 3 cameras, it really does check that box. So I'm going to put a link to this product in the video description. I really appreciate it if you guys can use my link, because that does help out the channel. If you like this type of content, you want to see more DIY installs, more reviews of different techs for the vehicles, as well as update status on the build, guys, make sure you like and subscribe to the channel. Please keep coming back for more content. Other than that, you guys be safe, and we'll catch you guys in the next video.